Hello YouTube. In today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering videos from the YouTube channels Long Island Audits and Michigan Constitutional Crusader. Please take a moment and head over to their YouTube channels and show them some love by subscribing to their channel.
What's your name?
Officer Rosini, right here, sir.
Rosini 219?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank
What's
you.
going on? They asked you to stop filming.
I understand that, sir.
Okay, what's going on?
Nothing.
What's your
Working
name,
on
by
a
the way?
story. I'm not going to give my name.
Okay. They asked you to stop filming, right, sir?
I understand that.
Hey, you want to step out?
No, thank you. I'm okay. Thank you.
The rules is you can't film in a federal facility.
Really?
That's what the gentleman's telling me right now.
I don't even know who that is. Who is that?
I don't know, sir. Let me speak to the postmaster.
So a random person? Yeah, I would like to
speak.
speak.
Yeah. Okay,
A random person told you I'm breaking federal laws?
Oh, I'm going to figure out everything's going on.
Come on, man.
You can film me all you want.
I understand that. I know
I'm
I
going to
can.
speak to the postmaster, right? We got called here.
But you're accusing me of breaking federal laws
I'm
off of
saying,
a nobody.
I didn't accuse you.
He's a nobody. Who is he?
Okay.
What's his name?
I'm going to find out. Right?
Okay, great.
Thank you.
Great. Why are you here?
Post office called saying that you film inside post office, and the postal employee right there said that you can't film inside federal facility. All right?
Okay.
You heard exactly what he said.
And what are you saying? Because you're the one that's supposed to uphold the Constitution and the law. So what do you think's going on here?
I'm going to figure it out, sir.
Okay, you're gonna do an investigation?
Yes, sir.
Great. Hey, how you doing?
Hey, how are you?
Name?
Officer Fratty, Red Police Department.
Friday 243.
Yeah, what's going on?
Nothing
Did
much.
you talk to my partner here?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. We get everything all sorted out, or?
I think he's doing an investigation.
Okay. Yeah, I'll hang out with him for now. Sure. What seems to be the problem? What brings you here to the post office?
I don't know. There's no problem.
Oh,
I don't know. I don't know what seems to be their problem.
Oh, okay, all right.
I don't have a problem. I'm fine.
Okay, all right. So we'll figure it out then.
Yeah.
All
Sounds
right.
good, man.
Just hang out with me over here. All right.
Yeah, I don't want to.
Well, I'm asking you to hang out with me.
And I'm
over
gonna politely decline that request. Okay. What's your name, badge number?
Huh?
What's your name?
Hoffman?
Hoffman 236.
Correct.
You got the pen blocking the 6. Excuse me, Hoffman.
What's your name, sir?
I'm not gonna give it.
No. Okay.
No.
All right.
I'm not gonna give it.
What brought you to the post office?
Nothing. Just here, working on a story. That's it.
Sorry?
Working on a story.
Working on a story?
Oh, you're
Yeah.
a journalist?
Yeah, news,
Oh, okay.
media. So
What do you work for?
myself.
Independent?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Just doing a constitutionally protected activity, right?
Okay.
You guys swore oaths to
You got
uphold the
You got
Constitution.
like a social media account or something? Or?
Did you guys swear oaths to the Constitution?
I'm sorry?
Did you swear an oath to the Constitution?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, great. So
Did yeah, you have a social media account or something like where you post all your?
yeah, when I decide to leave today, I'll give you that information so you can check it out.
Thanks, sir.
Hey, how are you?
Good. So I spoke to the postmaster.
Where is the postmaster?
Okay. Supervisor.
Supervisor, not the postmaster. Okay, and what's your name?
Daniel.
I gotta get out of my truck.
Can I get your name?
Daniel.
Daniel what? So I know who I spoke to when I speak to the postmaster.
Daniel's fine.
Daniel's fine. Okay.
You are allowed to videotape. So
I know that.
Okay.
I know that. You can let your Daniel if you want to let your
I will speak with them.
because they were you know I didn't engage with them or anything and they just completely started yelling at me.
I do apologize for that. I
Okay.
stepped out for lunch and on the air I will notify them and let them know.
Appreciate it, Daniel.
No problem.
Thank you. I really appreciate you.
Anything else?
Take care, officers. No, you guys have a good one. Thank you.
All right.
Take care, guys.
How you doing, sir?
Good. How about yourself?
What's going on?
Not much. What's your name and badge number?
I think I'm here to see you. Is there a problem here?
No, there's no problem.
Okay, all right. What are you doing here?
What's your name and badge number?
What have you got mail you got to deliver or put in here?
Are you going to answer my question, sir?
No, sir. I'm not. I am not going to give you my.
Okay,
badge.
then I am
I'm
not going to
giving
talk to you.
What, ma'am? What's he doing here?
He's videotaping and it is not allowed.
Okay, all right. All right, sir.
Per poster 7 of the postal rules, it is allowed to videotape and photograph in a post office
Okay.
for news and advertising
Sir,
purposes.
you are creating a disturbance.
No, sir, I am
Okay,
not.
somebody who knows the law like you do ought to know that. All right, now this is
You
what I want to
can't
do.
make a First Amendment protected activity
Sir, please, I'm
into
not going to
a...
argue you want to argue the Constitution? Let's go outside and I'll argue it with you. Come on, let's go. Come on, we'll talk about law right here.
Okay, I will do that.
Let me ask you a question. What are you trying to do? You see, I am the biggest First Amendment guy there is in this city.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, if you're in front of the post office, they have an unwanted subject. He's inside the office now videoing and refusing to leave.
Yeah, I'm with him right now. We're outside talking. I'll be outside. Okay, look.
Okay.
What are you trying to do? This is not the way to promote the First Amendment. Listen, I am all for the First Amendment. I'll stand right beside you. Okay?
Well, it's not
But
about
don't
promoting.
do this. You're scaring people. You're making our cause look like we're a bunch of idiots.
I'm trying to make them
Here's an
understand what
example.
the rules
How do you
are.
feel about this? Our governor was threatened by a group of guys.
I heard all about that.
How do you feel about that?
I think
Do
it's
you
absolutely
that's right?
ridiculous
Why? Why is it ridiculous?
because they shouldn't have done that.
They shouldn't have done that, right? But you know what? I don't agree with everything the governor is doing.
But on the
And
same
you might not
token,
either, but that's wrong.
Right.
And this is wrong.
the
If
flip
you
side
believe
of
in
that
the First
token with
Amendment,
the,
let's respect other people.
and I
You're
wasn't
here for
trying to get,
respect.
I wasn't trying to get the people, just
They're
the
scared.
employees.
Sir, how tall are you?
6'2",
Okay, look.
and I have
How
no
much you weigh?
weapons.
I know, but you're a big guy. You're in there scaring all them women. Come on.
I was standing in the
This is-
corner and I was
I
not
know,
bothering
but
anybody.
You're scaring them. How you doing, sir?
First Amendment Auditor,
Yes, sir.
Constitution, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, listen.
First Amendment,
Okay.
freedom of press.
All right,
Federal
that's right.
property.
Good for you. Listen, don't scare people.
I wasn't
right?
trying to.
I know
I
what you are.
explained
It's
to
not
them.
what you're trying to do.
I
It's the way
explained
we're
to them.
perceived.
Right.
This is not helping us. You're not helping us.
I'm not hurting anything.
Okay,
It's their
do me a favor,
feelings.
please don't go back in there. They ask you, listen, I will arrest you if the law will allow me to arrest you.
And what could you
I'll
arrest
have to
me
do
for?
it. Right? You can't stand in here and create a disturbance, sir.
I was not
You're
creating a
scaring the
disturbance.
crap out
How
of
does a camera create a
me. Listen,
disturbance?
it's you.
How do I create a
It's you.
disturbance?
You're in there. You're loitering. I don't care.
But see, you cannot turn a First Amendment protected activity into a crime.
What are you trying to do? What are you trying to prove?
I'm trying to educate.
You're trying to educate. What if they don't want to be educated?
Well, that's their problem.
Okay, then you're not going to.
But I should be able to go in here.
You're making it look worse. You're making.
I should be able to go in here and buy my stamps without getting yelled at for having a camera.
I asked you if you were in there doing business.
I did do my business. I was done doing my
All
business.
right, well, let's just agree for the day. Okay, we can meet another time somewhere, and you and I can talk about it. I don't want to be on camera. That's
Right?
nonsense.
But
Okay?
do me
You
a
and I
favor
can
and look
do
up
it.
Poster 7 of the postal
Sir,
rules.
I don't. I've read all that stuff. I know what this is all about.
So you know where it says
you
in there.
and I are on the same
that-
page in a lot of ways.
But you know what
you're
it
not
says
on
in
the
there
same
about
page. Do you love the
photography
law?
and
Do you
video,
love
right?
The law? Do you
I
want to
do.
obey the law? Well, then get the heck out of there.
I wasn't
You're
disobeying any
scaring
laws.
women in there. What kind of a what? You want to send that kind of signal? What do you think people are going to think about that? Come on, man, you're not.
Well, you
helping
saw
us.
that guy. He was happy about it.
Okay, whatever. But those women are all scared in there.
If you don't exercise your rights, you lose your rights. They need to understand
No,
the
you
laws.
lose, you know why you lose your right? Because you go in there and you video, you scare the crap out of normal people. All right?
They shouldn't be scared. That's the whole problem. They don't know what the laws are, so they're afraid.
6'2", you weigh 265 pounds, and you're.
And I was standing in the corner doing
All
nothing.
right. You got some ID on your phone?
I have not committed a crime, so I'm not giving ID.
Okay, you don't want ID yourself. Listen, I'm going to leave here. If I come back, you're in there, okay? I'm going to do what I got to do. Okay.
Okay, but you need to look at Poster
sir,
7.
Did you vote yet?
Yeah, I sure did.
Okay, all right. I just don't understand. I just don't understand. Everybody wants to give me read this law, read that law. How about this? If you want to convince people, do it in a sane way.
That's exactly what I was doing.
You're not convincing me that you got a bone to pick with society.
No, I don't have
All right?
a bone to pick with
you
society.
You do too.
No.
You do too. You can't tell me.
You're
if
assuming.
If somebody went to your family and your wife or your daughter and did this and terrified them, you're going to try to convince me that that's good for the First Amendment cause?
What are you trying to say? My
I'm
wife
trying
and
to
daughter.
say,
What do you mean?
Knock it off. Just knock it off.
That's not going to happen.
Okay, all right. You make your choice, okay? All right, you make your choice. I'm going to call our city attorney and see what he wants to do. I just want peace.
That's all I want.
I support the First Amendment. You get it?
Yeah.
I support it. But for God's sake, don't do it this way. This is not the way to do it. You voted. I just voted. That's how we do it. Okay,
Right.
listen, I just did it to ballot.
And the laws are already in place here, and they don't want to follow the laws.
So what? I'll go talk to them, okay? You got to promise me. You're going to just get out of here. Let's cool off, and we'll meet up later, and we'll just talk.
I'm not trying to cause a disturbance.
Can you do that?
Yeah, I'm done with my business in there. I'll take off.
Good, thank you. I appreciate it.
But they need to learn the laws that govern this
You know
facility.
what? I will tell them that. I imagine you already told them.
I did. I told them to look at Poster 7.
All right. My name's Officer Rayburn, by the way.
My name's Matt.
It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too.
Talk off camera. Can we do it off camera?
Oh, I always have my cameras on.
Okay, all right. All right. You're going to get out of here?
Yes, sir.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
All right, man. You have a good day.
Take care.
All right, you too.
All right. Thanks.
Yep.
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video. And please remember and head over to Long Island Audit's YouTube channel and Michigan Constitutional Crusaders YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you have a video you would like me to break down, please send me an email at knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Until next time, YouTube, you stay safe out there.